Hidden spy apps can compromise data on your phone, steal any passwords that you submit, and even record conversation using your phone microphone. Learning how to find hidden spy apps on your phone can be an easy process when you're armed with the right knowledge. In this video, we'll teach you how to find a spy app on your phone. Battery drain. Many spy apps can drain your battery quite quickly because it's running in the background. If you've noticed your battery acting strange, draining faster than usual, and needing to charge more often, then a spy app could be the culprit. Random data usage. This one is a little hard to notice if you're on an unlimited data plan, since you may not pay much attention. Those on a limited data plan will notice it right away though. We're talking about random data usage, as in using up way more data than you normally would. You can check the data usage either on your phone bill or within the phone settings and monitoring. Notice weird inconsistencies with an app using up more data than normal? There could be spyware running. Phone being slow. If you notice a sudden drop in phone speed, then there could be an issue. Try restarting your phone to see if it fixes the problem. Then look at the recently installed apps and maybe remove some. If those two don't do the trick, then spyware may be the problem and you'll need to get it cleared out. Random apps appearing. Noticed a few random apps showing up on your phone? Keep an eye out for these random occurrences and act fast so it stops using up data and putting your info at risk. Weird messages. Some spam texts are going to be expected, but getting them more than usual and them having weird characters and digits is a cause for concern. The spy app is likely experiencing an error, but it could pose issues, so find and remove it if you can. Weird website activity. Are you noticing tons of ads, pop-ups, and just generally weird stuff on your favorite websites? There could be a spyware problem. Until you know it's removed, be careful entering your personal info on any website as it could intercept and steal your info. Securing your device. So, what can you do to secure your phone? Well, first, don't install apps from unknown sources or via third-party stores and downloaders. You should also do regular backups of your phone and use passwords at all times. Be wary of jailbreaking your phone too, since you may miss out on important security updates. Finally, be careful with the Wi-Fi you're connecting to and always keep your phone in sight. Your phone houses a lot of personal information and data, so protect it. We hope this video helped you understand the real dangers of spyware apps. We encourage you to explore our site for more helpful security tutorials, and to check out our awesome security platform to protect you and your family when they're online. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.